Hi guys, I'm Brady from Essex Fashion House, where we sell pre-authenticated luxury bags, and we also teach you a little bit about what to look for if you ever want to buy a luxury bag secondhand and you want to make sure that you're not buying a fake. And then on top of that, of course, I do some little bag reviews. I want to make sure that everyone knows exactly what they're getting. And today I have a really lovely little bag from the Coach Basquiat collection. It is this one. So here we have it. It is the square bag with the banana on it. And I think it's literally just called square bag as far as I remember. I'm going to show you all the details up close. I'll do a few Modshots for you, and I'll show you what fits inside of this fun little bag. Don't forget, if you want to make this bag yours, it is for sale in the Essex Fashion House shop, and I will leave the link for it in the description of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. That's everything from me for now. Now let me show you this bag. All right, and here we've got the square Basquiat banana bag up close. I hope you can hear me over the seagulls and the car alarm going off in the background. I hope it's not too loud. I need to get my new camera up and going where I can actually add an external microphone, which will make the sound a lot better. But for now, we'll have to make do with this. So this bag is a lovely shape. I love the square. It kind of gives you that lunchbox vibe, if you ask me, which I think is quite cute and quite cool. And so it has the carry handle on top. This is very structured, so it stays up like this, and I don't think it'll lose its shape easily. And the hooks for adding the long strap are up here attached as well. They stay up on their own. It's quite a nice way to do it, I think, so you don't have anything like sitting loose on there. The hang tag is attached up there as well, and of course, because this is a limited edition collection from a collaboration with the estate of Jean-Michel Basquiat, you have the hang tag here that says Coach X Jean-Michel Basquiat and has the little Basquiat crown on it, which is quite cute. On the other hand, you've got the little text that just says Estate of Jean-Michel Basquiat, licensed by Art Star New York. And I'm just showing you that in case you want to go out and look for one of these secondhand and you want to make sure that all the details are right. That's exactly what it should say, and that's exactly what it should look like. And so on the front, you've got this little banana guy. I've heard some people say, oh, it's just a banana. I definitely see a banana with gray hair and an eye patch. I don't know if that's just me. Let me know in the comments if you see that too, or if we're all just crazy. This feels really nice. It's got a little bit of texture. It actually has some stitching here on top of the artwork, which gives it a little bit more texture and a little bit more depth, which I think is quite lovely. And then on the back, you have some more little drawings here with no colors, a little bit of text. And again, this up here is actually stitched on with like a silvery thread. I think that's a nice little detail. And on the side, you've got a little bit as well, NYC New York, again with some shiny red thread stitching there. The other side is just blank. And then on the bottom, it will say original glove tanned leather. And this is of course smooth glove tanned leather in their lovely black. And you have the classic Coach turn lock up here. I actually think the turn lock on this looks very retro. It looks kind of like their vintage bags, both the shape of this patch, but also the brass turn lock and the shape of that on here. And so, and of course it has Coach on the little turn lock there as well. And if we open it up, see what this bag looks like inside. So got the strap in there. So first of all, we've got this deep oxblood smooth leather lining, and it just looks beautiful. I love a good leather lined bag. I hope you can see this because of the lighting. So you've got the creed patch in there, and that reads a little bit about the Basquiat collection as well, the collaboration between the artwork and Coach. So the style number is 6898, and this bag is from 2020. It is basically brand new. It's only been used once or twice, I think. You've got the little Coach tag in there, made-in tag and everything. And that is the whole inside of the bag. It does have one little card slot in there, but other than that, it's just an open compartment. And that is the whole bag. So let me just show you what fits in this little adorable handbag. And I'll do some mod shots for you as well, so you can get an idea of the size of it and how it carries. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that if you want to make this bag yours, it is for sale in the Essex Fashion House shop, and you can find the link for it in the description of this video. And that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video.